Alright, so this might actually be the easiest repair I think I've ever done. So while I was driving the other day, my steering wheel came loose. It's a tilt wheel, so it's loose. It's just doing this shit all the time. It's going up and down with no lock. What happened is there's a pin under the column. Hopefully I can get a good picture of it here for you. Okay, so you can kind of see it here. Let me get my hand in there. Behind this spring here, that little middle rod, I can't get my finger there. That little middle rod slides all the way through. You can see the hole on this side. When it's all the way through, and you pull this, you pull your lever, it pulls the gears that lock into place up. So with those all the way up, you pop that pin back in, and then when they come back down, they'll lock into place, like this.